Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.2 question number 4. 4a. What should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? Let us solve this problem. Now the question is, what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? Suppose if we ask a question like this, that what should be added, that is what should be added to 2 to get a number 5, right? If we add 3, what should be added to 2 to get 5? Let p should be added. P should be added to get the value 5, right? This 2 plus p is equal to 5. So p is equal to 5. 5 minus 2, that comes to 3. That means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. In the same way, you have to do, what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x cube plus 3xy? To solve in this way, let p should be added. P should be added. P should be added. P should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy, right? Therefore, according to the question, x square plus xy plus y square plus p is equal to 2x square plus 3xy. If we solve this one, or p is equal to 2x square plus 3xy plus 3xy. If we transpose this term on the right hand side, it will be changed into minus x square plus xy plus y square plus y square, right? Now if we simplify it, it comes to 2x square plus 3xy minus x square. Minus into plus is minus xy. Minus into plus is minus y square. Now rearrange all the like terms in one side, that is 2x square minus x square plus 2xy 3xy minus xy minus y square. Or you can find, that is 2x square minus x square, the 2 minus 1 is 1, that is x square, plus 3xy minus xy is 2xy and minus y square, right? Therefore we got the value as x square plus 2xy minus y square, right? Hence x square plus 2xy minus y square should be added should be added should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain to obtain to obtain 2x square plus 3xy, right? Now solve question number B. Question number B is, you see, question number B is like this. So solve question number B. Question number B is, question number B, what should be subtracted from this to get this one? If I say, what should be subtracted from 5? What should be subtracted from 5 to get 2? Right? Then if we say, it is p should be subtracted from 5. It is p should be subtracted from 5 to get 2. Or you can say that p is equal to 5 minus 2, that comes to 3. It is right. Here see, 5 minus 3 is 2. In this way you can find, right? That means let p should be subtracted from this number to get the other expression. In the same way you can find that let p should be subtracted, p should be subtracted, p should be subtracted, p should be subtracted, p should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 7b plus 16. Therefore, according to the question, 2a plus 8b plus 10 minus p is equal to minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. Right? Now, if we transpose this one, right, on the right hand side, that this will be changed into minus, or you can write here as p is equal to right, 2a plus 8b plus 10 minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. Right? So we get the value, that is 2a plus 8b plus 10 minus into minus is plus 3a minus into plus is minus 7b and minus into plus is minus 16 So we are getting 2a plus 3a. Rearrange all the like terms. Plus 8b minus 7b plus 10 minus 16. So we are getting 2a plus 3a is 5a. 5a. 8 minus 7 is 1 plus b. 10 minus 16 is minus 6. That is 5a plus b minus 6. Therefore, the answer is 5a, 5a plus b minus 6 should be subtracted, should be subtracted, should be subtracted, should be subtracted, subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.